If life is a book, the person who has not traveled has only opened up one page of his life. Now with Pay Diamond, we make you open as many pages of your life as possible. Now imagine traveling with Emirates, sleeping in 5-star hotel, having what we call a yacht cruise, boat cruise, dinner, navigating across the beautiful ocean of Dubai, visiting all the exciting places in Dubai, desert safari, and above all that, visiting Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. All that.
I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back.
You should be here with Pay Diamond Lifestyle. This is Coach Mustafa.
I'm sitting eyes wide open and I got one thing stuck in my mind. Wondering if I dodged a bullet or just lost the love of my life.
But if you're going to do it by yourself, it will cost you a lot of money. But we have a package for you that you are going to travel with us at $1,000. But what's more exciting is that if you join Pay Diamond today and you build your business to a level of power executive, we take care of your charges and we give you this trip 100% for free. Everything included.
I just wanna keep calling your name.
But if you build this business to a level of gold executive, we shall do only 50%, you also do 50%. Or if you build this business to a level of silver, we do 25% discount on your trip. It's really getting exciting. For more information how to plug into this promotion, get back to the person who shared this video with you.
We are enjoying the Diamond Life Cruise here in Dubai. I'll see you in Dubai, November 2017. Go Black Diamond!
Yes, all the way from Ghana, but amazing. I'm Abuja. I mean, this is an amazing opportunity. Guys, if you're not part of us, you are missing out big time. This is called the Diamond Lifestyle.
Now, Simon, say what to these people?
Hi Kenya, hi Uganda, hi Rwanda, hi Tanzania. We are here and very excited. We can't wait to see you come to Dubai. We are right now having a crew.
We Pay Diamond, we are standing up.
I'm sure we have to go all Black Diamond. And this
it's crazy here in Dubai. It's amazing. We are having fun. We are building the structure. We need to get serious. We need to wake up. We need to drive this business. We need to truly live the diamond life. It's
Great. You are going to be billionaire, multi-billionaire in this company.
My dear, this is a huge opportunity. For those are waiting yet, I suggest that don't wait. This is a huge opportunity to change.
So you can see the background is so beautiful. The kids, it's like another heaven. I'm on the yacht, going to there.
You guys be ready with us, and I'm waiting for you in Dubai. Thank you very much.
Go Black Diamond.
For more information how to plug into this promotion, get back to the person who shared this video with you.